Our students, today we have a new exponential equation how we can find the value of x. 2x minus 4 whole exponent of 4 is equal to 16. Here, dear students, we are applying to solve this question by two methods. First of all, if we are using substitution method in here, if we take substitution in here, let 2x minus 4 is equal to t. Now we replace the original question, we get in here t exponent of 4 is equal to 16. Now according to the rule, we can write this t exponent of 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. Now we are making the formula. According to the formula, a square minus b square we are making is equal to 0. According to this formula, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and to a plus b. According to this formula, we are open this term, we get in here t square minus 4 into t square plus 4 is equal to 0. It means that here we get two solution, t square minus 4 is equal to 0 or t square plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we change to the right side this term, and also we change this term is changed to the right side, so their sign is also changed both of. So t square is equal to 4 r and t square is equal to minus 4. Now according to the minus 4 here, we know that iota square is equal to minus 1. In the place of minus we put iota square. Now taking square root on both sides of this term, so 4 iota square root, so this will be cancelled and t is equal to plus minus 2 iota is in here the solution of 1. And similarly here we are taking square root on both sides, plus 4, this will be cancelled and t is equal to, here is 4 square, so we get in here plus and minus 2. So we get here two solution of, one is real parts and the other is in here we get in complex form. So if you want to check our solution is correct or not, so we are taking supposition, because we have already taken the supposition, we replace, there are four results, we are replacing one by one and we will get the original question answer x solution. We are taking when t is equal to 2. So the equation becomes 2x minus 4 is equal to 2. 2x minus is equal to 4, change in here to the right side, so their sign is also changed, we get 6. 2x is equal to 6. Now dividing both sides by 2, so this will be cancelled, x is equal to 3, this is also cancelled, and one of the answer we get in here is 3. If we take negative, so what will result when t is equal to minus 2, so the equation becomes in here 2x minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So 2x is equal to 4 plus 2. 4 plus 4, this is minus, and minus 4 minus 2 we get 2. Now dividing both sides by 2, we get in here both are cancelled and x is equal to 1. X is 1 is the solution of this question. One is 3 and one is x is equal to 1. Now if we take the emission is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3, when t is equal to plus 2 iota, what will be happen in here, 2x minus 4 is equal to 2 iota. Now we change this 2x is equal to 4 plus 2 iota. Now we are taking common 2 plus iota and dividing both sides by 2. Here both are cancelled, this will be cancelled, x is equal to 2 plus iota, which is the complex form and complex, but we are needed to the real solution, real number solution here, but this is not give the exact results, so does not exist this situation. Similarly, when we are applying in here t is equal to minus 2 iota, so 2x minus 4 is equal to minus 2 iota, and we change in here 2x is equal to 4 minus 2 iota, 2 is common, and here again 2 minus iota. So dividing both sides by 2, this will be cancelled, and here is also dividing both sides by cancel. We get the answer is 2 minus iota, and x is 2 minus iota, which does not belongs to the real number. Now we are applying method 2x minus 4 whole exponent of 4. If you transfer in here, minus 16 is equal to 0. Now we try to make the formula in the form of square, and 4 whole square is also whole square. Double exponent we get, according to the rule, we can get 4 minus, and here we get 4 square is equal to 0. Now according, this will be considered completely a square, and this will be considered b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. According to this formula, we are open the above term. So 2x minus 4 whole square and minus b is equal to 4 into, and 2x minus 4 whole square plus 4 is equal to 0. Now it means that here we are open again the formula, we are using a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. According to this formula, we are trying to open this term, so the result will become, and here 2x whole square plus 4 square minus 2ab minus 2 into 2x minus 4, 2x 2b, 2x and 2 4, and plus 4, and plus 4 a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 4. Similarly, again if we are open this term, the same term here, 2x whole square plus 4 square minus 2ab minus 2ab minus 2ab and plus 4. So this will be completely close is equal to 0. Now we are open here, this implies that 4x square plus 16 minus, this will be multiply, and we get in here minus 16x minus 4 into, and here again 4x square plus 16, and we get minus 16x plus 4 is equal to 0. So now we are simplify, we change this form, 4x square plus minus 16x, we are arrange this term according to the quadratic equation. So 16 minus 4 we get plus 12 into, similarly in here 4x square minus 16x, and we get 16 and plus 4 we get 20, plus 20 is equal to 0. Now it means that this equation is also equal to 0, and this equation is also equal to 0. We are comparing with this one, the quadratic form, minus 16x plus 12 is equal to 0, or and similar minus 16x plus 20 is equal to 0. Now we are comparing both equation with this here. If we are taking common here, x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Similarly, and here is also common, x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Both sides are applying, divide both sides by 4, and here, and also 4 divide, and also 4 divide, and also 4 divide, this will be cancelled each other. And here is also x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, or and x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we are making factorization method here, applying and also using completing square method and also quadratic formula. But factorization method, the first term is in here is 1, and we are multiply, we get 3. It means that if we are minus 1x minus 3x, if we add minus 1 minus 3 we get here minus 4, and both are multiply we get plus 3. So plus 3 is equal to 0. And here if we are, there is no making factor is applied here is possible, so we are using quadratic equation, we are comparing with this form plus c is equal to 0. If we are compare here, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 5, we are using here quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. According to this formula we substitute, and also we are making, in this term we are making pairs. So x into x minus 1 and minus 3 is common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here x minus 1 and x minus 1 we take one pair, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So it means that here x minus 1 is equal to 0 r and x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we transfer in here to the right side, x is equal to 1, and here is also we change x is equal to 3, we transfer. So both result we get in here, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. Now here in the second equation, if we are applying in here in the formula, x is equal to minus b and minus b is equal to minus 4 plus minus and minus b whole square minus 4ac, a is equal to 1 and c is equal to 5 divided by 2 and 2a, a is equal to 1. Now x is equal to, we get in here plus 4 plus minus 16 minus 20 divided by 2. Now is equal to 4 plus minus, we get in here 16 minus 20, we get minus 4 divided by 2. Again here, as we know that iota square is equal to minus 1, in the place of minus we put in here iota square. So we will get in here 4 plus minus 4 iota square divided by 2. Again, if you check 4 square root is equal to 2, 4 plus minus 4 square root is equal to 2 iota, 2 iota divided by 2. Now we take on 2, x is equal to 2 is common, 2 plus iota plus minus iota divided by 2. 2 plus minus iota. 2 iota whole square is so 2 iota. So we get in here divided by 2. Divided by 2. So this 2 is cancel. X is equal to 2 plus minus iota is the solution of this question, but that is not possible. So the original solution, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 in both method. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.